Hi, my name is Guri, and to those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. And for those of you who are returning, thank you for coming back. Today we are creating this look using the Sugarpill X LittleTwinStars eyeshadow palette. I'm also going to be using the Sugarpill X LittleTwinStar liquid lipstick duo, and I'm also picking up something else that's new in my collection, namely the Anastacio Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. So there's going to be a lot of color, as you can see, and a lot of glow. And just to address something before any of you do, I know my eyes look different. This is because of not infection, but like a condition that I have. It's an autoimmune disease, and the reason my eyes are different is because of some medicine that I'm taking for this eye right here. So there's really nothing else going on. Yeah, that's it. So if you want to see how I made this look, just keep on watching. I'm going to start out by putting on my Fenty Pro Filtr foundation, and I'm just using a damp beauty sponge from Real Techniques. I'm feeling so hello, don't you know? And then to conceal my under eye area, I'm going in with my Touche Eclat. And I'm just adding some of this. And then I'm using the pointy end of my beauty blender just to dab this in. And then to set my face, I'm going in with my BuetyBakerie flour setting powder. And I'll be wearing glasses later today, which is why I have to set my nose like this. Then I'm moving on to brows. I'm going to be using my Anastacio Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, and you've seen me do this before, so we're just gonna do like this. And just like that, my brows are on, and I've also primed my lids using my Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Eyeshadow Primer. So moving on, we're going to pick up this super cute Sugarpill X My LittleTwinStars palette. It comes in a plastic slide out, which is super cute as well. And then, I mean, just come on, look at this. This is so pretty. I love this. And then when you open it up, it comes with a little plastic insert and also plastic on the mirror, which I'm taking off. And it looks like this. So nice. And I'm going to pick up a fluffy brush from Zoeva, and this Dream Dust color. I'm trying to just use this one palette, and I'm dusting this in my crease. This is my first time trying this palette, so I am as excited as you are. Oh yes, and I want to zoom you in. So I don't know how many of you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, but if you do, you probably know that I have been suffering from an autoimmune eye disease lately, which is why my eyes don't look the same at the moment, because I'm still on medication for this condition. And I'm just, because this is quite light, or maybe the light in here is tricking me, I don't know if you noticed, but I have a new lighting setup, which I think makes everything easier for you to see. So I'm just placing this color both in my crease and all the way up to the brow bone. And then I'm picking up this color Sky Candy, it's the pink one, and I'm just going to use the same brush If you pick up a little too much product, just tap it off, it's no biggie. And I'm going in with this in my crease. Just a little at a time, gradually building the colors up. I'm feeling that this is kind of looking more pink on the lid than it is in pan. In pan it looks like it has a little more orange than it does on my face. Then I'm picking up a smaller brush. This one is from Real Techniques, and I'm picking up this dark color here, this Wish. And I'm placing this on the outer half of my eye. And I'm just placing this right next to the lash line. They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know I fell for fools. And also into the outer C of my eye. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools. And then I'm picking up a flat shader brush from BH Cosmetics in this golden color Twinkle Twinkle, and I'm using this on the inner half of my eye. Stroke that. I'm actually trying to go in with my finger, even though my nails are too long. Oh yeah. This is what we're talking about. Yes, I did. I'm just going to try to build up this color on the outer half as well with my finger. The next thing I'm doing is to pick up this blue color right here. It's the only matte in the palette, and this is called Star Ribbon, and I'm just running this all the way on my lower lash line using a pencil brush from Juvia's Place. And then for inner corner highlight, I'm picking up this color right here. It's called Cloud Maker. And we'll just see how this turns out. I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. And then I'm going in with mascara. You've seen me do this as well, so I'm just gonna do that quickly off camera. I'm gonna be using my Lancome Monseiur Big. So I don't know about you, but like I thought that before I put on mascara that this look was maybe a little messy. But with mascara, I have to say I really do love it. I think it looks super nice and shiny, and as you know, I love shiny. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'm just using this teeny tiny plastic one because it's more convenient than a bigger one, and I'm using a contour brush from Real Techniques. And I'm just using this to add some contour to my cheeks. For blush, we're going in with this FashionFair blush in the color Foxy Pink, and I'm using a blush brush from e.l.f. and this is not super pigmented, so you can, this is the only product where I feel that I can happily swirl away at the product without risking it being overly pigmented. And I'm just swiping this off as well. And to highlight my face, I'm going in with another new product, or new to me, This is the Anastacio Moonchild GlowKit. I've never used this before. I just got it in the mail the other day. It is full of beautiful colors. Today I think I'll be going in with Pink Heart mostly. And yeah, I'm just not going to be careful. I'm just laying it all on. I love these crazy colored highlights. And then I think just for the heck of it, I'm gonna go in with Purple Horseshoe. And I'm gonna place this here above or in my temple. And then just to have like this little extra glow, I'm going to set my face using a Clinique Moisture Surge face spray. This is not actually a setting spray. So make sure to cover your eyes while putting it on so it doesn't ruin your mascara. But this just adds a little extra glow to the skin, as if I wasn't already glowing enough. And then I'm just gonna let it dry, and for my lips I'll be using one of these from the Sugarpill X LittleTwinStars set. I think I'll be going in with the pink one today. Yes, because the blue is so prominent here in the eye, so I'll be going in with the pink one. Or maybe create a little duochrome effect, I'm not quite sure. They look like this when you take them out of the package. Super cute, I love them. And then they have this teeny tiny dove foot applicator. Oh yeah. So these little bad boys are super easy to apply. I've worn them a few times already and I've loved them every time. But today I think I might want to add a little extra. I have a Stila Glitterati Glitterati top coat. I'm just gonna get that and add this over top. Just a second. So I'm just gonna add this Stila Glitterati lip top coat in the color Transcend on top. And I'm not gonna use this wand here. I'm gonna apply some of the product to my hand and then pick it up using my finger to put it on my lip, just so it doesn't overpower the lipstick. So this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I certainly do. I love, love, love this LittleTwinStars palette. It looks as stunning as I expected it to do. I also love this Anastacio Beverly Hills Moonchild GlowKit. This should probably come as no surprise to those of you who know me. I love a shiny, glittery, unreal color kind of highlight. Natural doesn't quite, or there's nothing wrong with a natural look. I just love these kind of more unnatural highlights. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. I hope you come back. I hope you watch some more of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can subscribe right up here. And if you want to see anything else I've done, maybe some more colorful looks, I'll put a video right up here. So then all there's left to say is thank you for watching. Hope to see you again. And until next time, bye!